The latest numbers on coronavirus have just been released by the Health Ministry, and India's new cases of coronavirus infection have reached a record high with 24,850 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. The total is now 6,73,165, which is roughly just 800 cases behind Russia, which is the third worst hit nation from coronavirus. India also witnessed 613 deaths during the last 24 hours, which is the highest number to be recorded in a day. The total number of deaths is now 19,268. The positivity rate is now at 9.98%. Let's go across to Sukirti for more on this. And Sukirti, with more testing, more cases emerging every day, another record high of over 24,000 cases being recorded. But also what's worrying is the death rate, that 613 deaths being reported in a day.
Well, yes, the hike in cases, that on one point, as you mentioned, with the increase in testing, that is something that we have started to make peace with, in the hope that maybe we are reaching that peak of cases, and because we are testing more people, there are these new cases. But so far in all of these months, the biggest respite India has had is that the death rate has been very low, and we've mostly seen days where the number of deaths is about 100 to 200, but deaths, or the numbers being 613 on a single day is very worrying for India. And this, everybody would just hope at this point of time that this continues to be an exception and this does not become a trend, because increase in cases is something that can be handled, because we've been seeing in India that most of the cases are either asymptomatic or have mild symptoms or moderate symptoms. Many of these people can be put on home isolation, but deaths would mean that there are significant number of people that have had severe symptoms, respiratory issues, and all of this treatment did not work on them. So that is worrying. And also the trend at this point of time being that this is the 9th consecutive day that India has seen a spike of over 18,000 cases. So how long this will go on at this time is hard to predict, but the numbers going up is definitely a worrying situation for India at this point of time. Gargi.